just beat me.
I know.
Just beat me.
We were having a cracking battle in that one.
Yeah, we were.
There's only a couple of seconds between it.
Yeah, I just looked on there. There was not much in it. You got me by less than half a second. Yeah.
So bring on round
But then
3.
you've got a RTR and I've got like the full ding dong, haven't I? So.
I know, but the track's quite tight. There's not a lot of room to use the speed.
I think, there's no point having speed, is there?
I think consistency is going to be the winner between us.
100%, yeah.
What tips you got for us then? You're top 3.
Give it to someone that knows how to set it up.
Yeah.
And don't crash.
There we go.
Second round, much better for me on that one. Really enjoying it. These guys, you know what? Pretty good, aren't they? Talbot's good, isn't he? We knew he'd be good.
We knew he'd be good, but I say, home track, he's got his own pit crew setting his car up.
Yeah.
He does know his way around this track, but you're only 1 lap off the pace.
Yeah, which is good. Got to do a few more little tweaks and that. Second time we run the car, so you know I'm happy with that. To be fair, it's under steering still, so I've got a few tweaks I'm going to do to it. But all in all, mate, I'm happy. What about you?
So yeah, I think I've added a little bit of weight to the front end, so the car's turning in a lot better. What it has changed though is the way the car behaves in the air, so the nose is dipping, which means I need to keep the throttle on a little bit to keep the nose up. But yeah, better round that round. Phil, Tommy RC was giving me a run for my money in that round, so if he makes any more tweaks, he might even beat me in the final. So I need to up my game a little bit more. Gavin he's had a little bit of help with this car, so what have you changed on this since the first round?
Just the steering, camber, wheels, tyres, ride height, and pretty much all of it really, but I don't think that's going to improve the driver though, is it really? I might actually turn up at the right time for the next round.
That is always a good,
you know, instead of halfway through, but it might steer, whereas the last one, steering was optional.
So this is your Lossy.
Yep.
And now we've gone over to Schumacher.
Yep.
Both vintage cars though?
Ish. That's about 11, 12 years old, and this is, God knows, how long is that now? 20 years, something like that? 30 years? I have no idea.
Running.
Wheel speed?
Oh yeah, they're so nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
I like the gearboxes on these things.
It's a serious piece of engineering.
It really is. We saw one the other week actually. I was quite blown away with it.
The new one's even better.
Is it?
Yeah, they are at 3.
Yeah. That's very nice. All right, Kevin, what are you running? What are you running?
I am running that.
One of those, same as me.
V6.4.
Yeah.
Professional setup.
It does look nice actually. Yeah, nicely wide too.
And if you want a techno babble, link down below.
All right. Hello Noah, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, man. What car are you running? It's slightly different to a lot of cars,
Yeah, so this is a 1/12 scale WL Toys buggy,
Yeah.
4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
We've got some foam tyres on it,
Yeah.
and we've got a 3S power system in, but we'll probably only run it on 2S because it'll be a bit too fast then.
I think you might be right, but well, good luck with it. Today's a bit of a laugh in it, and we'll just see how we get on. But I reckon you're going to do all right with that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kev, please make a mistake. Please help me.
I normally mess up the finals every time.
Yeah,
I'll do alright on the
That's all I need.
qualifying. Come to final, that's it. Game over.
All right. Well, good luck, man. Good luck.
Cheers, dudes.